How to submit song for trending on Audiomack. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to submit a song for trending on Audiomack. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Audiomack on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can use the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you just need to open your Audiomack Creators app, and after you're on the dashboard, you can see right here there will be an option called earn, and if you click that, this will appear and it shows you the type of benefits that you will get if you monetize your account, right? And it says that you can submit your content for trending consideration, and if you click apply now, you will be redirected to this. And as you can see that in order to monetize your account, you will need to have at least 2 uploads of songs and 25 followers, and yeah, that's it. And if you have 2 uploads and more than 25 followers, you can apply for monetization, and you can use that to share your songs, the songs that you upload in your account, and make them famous. And yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.